Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the WAKYME 21V MAX Cordless Impact Branch Kit with an half-inch brushless compact branch power tool. Two 4.0 ampere hour lithium batteries, 7-piece driver impact sockets, a fast charger, a belt, clips, and toolbox. 250 feet pound torque. That's awesome. Really. It's a powerful brushless motor with a performance motor. This 21-volt brushless impact branch, 330 Newton meter maximum torque and a maximum of 2,400 rounds per minute. Has an awesome speed. It allows us to tighten or loosen various nuts and bolts easily. The impact branch has a 1.5-inch chuck, and the impact frequency is between 0 up to 3,500 bits per minute. The forward and the reverse button on the handle makes it easier to tighten or loosen nuts and bolts. The button on the machine side can easily achieve the clockwise or anti-clockwise rotation direction. Reverse has a brake stop function. Stop after rotating 1,600 rounds per minute in 1 second. It was and is very suitable for home car repair. Oh yeah. And stepless variable control can be carried through the on and off switch to control the torque accurately. 2 speeds, 0 up to 1,730 rounds per minute, or 0 to 2,400 rounds per minute. The reverse direction only will have 1 speed, 0 to 2,400 rounds per minute. This impact wrench comes with a 4,000 mAh lithium battery, and a fast charger can be used continuously for 80 minutes at maximum RPM without load. The battery indicator lights reminds the charger in time. It also has an impact drill driver function. When not in use, the safety lock design of the wrench drill makes it safer to place the wrench. The LED light on the front of the machine provides a bright working environment. The head dissipation system and insulated rubber handle design can effectively protect the main body of the powerful impact drill. And it's easy to handle, as you can see. With a 24-volt lithium-ion battery, it's a cordless impact wrench with an half chuck. 330 Newton meter. Up to 2,400 rounds per minute. LED work light or 4 ampere hour lithium battery pack. That's powerful. 2 up to 3 hours quick charge. 2 times 4,000 milliampere hours, 24 watt. Hey, that's cool, really. It's a brushless motor versus a brushed motor. In the theory, the service life of the brushless electronic wrench can reach 20 years. The brushless electric wrench no longer uses gear reducers, avoiding the effectively loose in gear transmission, making the efficiency up to 85%. So it's better to make a brushless motor into it. And yeah, WAKYME does it. If we need to achieve some repair projects such as dismantling tires, machine maintenance, etc., the vacuum impact branch is no doubt our wise choice. It includes 3 sides, 3/4 socket, 90 mm, 6/7 socket, 22 mm, and 15/16 inches socket, 24 mm, or socket that cover the daily use size. 2 times 4 ampere recharger batteries. Wow, that's awesome. And if we like to choose the different operations, we have a brake stop function. We can use or control it by using the switch. When reverse rotation push the switch button can trigger brake stop function on or off. The reverse rotation out of stop mode stops rotation and impact in 1 second when the fasteners is loosened adequately. And we have a 2-speed adjustable. When the impact wrench rotates clockwise, we can press the switch button to adjust the high and the low speed. Low speed goes from 0 to 1800 rounds and high speed from 0 to 2400 rounds. And advanced heat dissipation system. The unique head dissipation system can effectively protect the main body of the machine to extend its service life. And variable speed trigger. Stepless variable control can be carried out. Touch the on and off switch to control the torque output accurately. The bright LED light brings us so much light into the Craftsman one. It's an impact wrench, provides a bright working environment in the dark. With the convenience bright LED works light, we can work in any work situation. And we have an ergonomic handle. The arc design fits the palm of the hand to improve the grip and further improve the precision of working. We can use it for tire change, for repair on cars, for assembling work with metal. Everything is possible with that awesome WAKYME 21V cordless impact wrench with an 1/2-inch brushless compact wrench power toolkit with 2 batteries and 7 pre-driver impact sockets by WAKYME. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel soon.